This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Volkswagen ID7 Tourer or station wagon or estate or whatever. And in this video, we're going to find out how much space we have compared to the regular one that is slightly more sloped, which is called fastback, or in Germany it's called limousine. So, you know, since it's boxier, it should have more space. I estimated this on another video a while ago that it should be 25 boxes, but we have to confirm it. Can you actually fit 25 boxes? So as usual, we start in the trunk then. And in the trunk here, we have a lid that can be lowered to create more space. You can take it completely out also, that's what we're gonna do. And then here we have another lid to open up, and I see that there's no subwoofer here, which is good. That will be more space. We can take out this one. Huh? What the heck is this thing? There's an Audi there. What? Huh? They must be misplaced. What? Okay, we'll take it out to maximize the space. And I wonder, how was it again last time? Can we remove this? Oh yes, we can, of course. Yeah, it is quite thick, which is probably for insulation, maybe noise or whatever, but we're gonna take it out to maximize the space. Okay, now we just verify that just like last time, we managed to fit 10 boxes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So very spacious, right on par with SUVs. So see, you don't need SUV, you can get a station wagon instead and get the same space. But now let's fold the seat and try again. Oh, I almost forgot. You can do this. And then when you click it back, you see that we are in a more upright position. We have to try again. Okay, let's see how many can fit this time. I feel like it's more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow. Very impressive space, huh? It beats SUVs. Yeah, I'm not a fan of SUVs. I like sedans, limousines better. All right, as always, we try to put as many as possible in here. You can see that I look quite tall, but I'm not that tall because the car is not a tall SUV. But okay, we fit, fit many boxes here, and you see the bottom box can be laid down horizontally, which means that we have plenty of leg room here. Most cars, you have to have it upright, but a small, oops, is it close? Yeah, a small minus with this car is that it has a 19-inch wheels. It's a bit, it lacks some of the nicest interior. For example, we don't get the pelvic rotation, the butt massage, but also here, we don't have the glass roof. So I wonder if that eats up some space. I mean, or actually we lose out some space, but I try to pack as much as possible, and then we'll see. The moment of truth. The fastback could take 24 boxes, and then when I did the brief test of the station wagon, I estimate 25, but I think we can maybe fit more than 25. Okay, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
23, 24, 25, 26. Two more than the fastback. Yeah, 26 is actually quite respectable, and also again right on par with SUVs. So if you want a large and comfortable family car that doesn't consume too much electricity, you get the ID7 station wagon. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.